back to the Ukulele Club channel. I'm Kalani, and in this lesson, I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways to play the 1 chord and the 5/7 chord, so you have multiple choices when you want to play a 1/5 song, which you would want to have if you want to sing in different keys or have your students sing in different keys. So I know we're all familiar with C, G7. Let's review. Let's start there. I'm going to give you 2 other ways to play 1/5 songs so you can move the key up or down depending on the vocal range of the song and what your students need or what you need to sing along. All right, let's go with the overhead view. I'm going to show you the chord view and the front view, because that's how we do it here on the Ukulele Club channel. So this is our C chord, and of course we can go to G7, making that triangle shape here. And we love C and G7. All right, 1/5 in the key of C. Let's go to the next 1/5 chord progression that you're probably gonna learn. You might even have learned this before C and G7. I like to teach this one first, actually, and this is in the key of F. And then, so it's our 2-finger chord, F, here and here. And then, of course, that's our root, our 1 chord. So our 5 chord, or 5/7 chord, super easy chord. 1 1 1, number 1 finger, number 1 string, number 1 fret, down in the corner, C7. So that way, if the key of C is too low or too high, not a good range, you can move up to F. I want to give you another one because maybe F isn't quite right, or you just want to change a little, or you want to use a couple other chords that are also easy, but not typical, not as popular, but super, super useful and easy and important chords. They're in my top 10 chords on the ukulele, top 10 essential chords, which I will have in another video. What am I talking about? Let's start with the G7 chord, which we included in our first set, and let's move our index finger up to the top string and keep our other fingers in place. And now we've got E7. The E7 chord, super easy, right? So if you can play G7, you can play E7. Pretty easy. And then if we take our F chord and we also move our index finger up 1 string, not to the top string, but to the 2nd string. So we're playing, instead of here, we're playing here, number 3 and number 4. Now we've got the A major chord. Pretty easy, you guys. So here it is. E7. A major. Okay, so if you guys haven't played in the key of A, now's your chance to get going. It's super easy. Don't be afraid of the key of A. A major, E7. All right, so let's review. We had C and G7. We had F and C7. And we have A major and E7. All right, that's 3 different keys. You can play 1/5 songs, and then of course you might want to add the 4 chord or the 6 chord, and you're off to the races, playing whatever you want. Thanks for stopping by the Ukulele Club channel. I'm Kalani. If you'd like to know more about this ukulele, click the link below and find out more about Parable Classic ukuleles. And whatever you do, keep making great music. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notifications. I'll see you in another video.